Thank you for joining us and coming together here on this very special occasion. I'd like to welcome two very special guests, please. Welcome to the stage, Ivana Lynch and Warwick Davis.
Thank you. Hey, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Oh, it's fantastic to be here.
Everyone excited to go into the Forbidden Forest?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's Tom Felton and Rupert Grint! We are so happy you could be here. Wow! It's James and Oliver Felt!
Hi. Hi guys, how are we doing?
We're so glad you could join us.
Sorry, we're just giving a little test run.
All right, here is a special message from Robbie Coltrane.
I am excited to welcome you to this new chapter of magic here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Soon you will embark on an adventure through the Forbidden Forest. Yes, while it may be dark and sometimes dangerous, it is also filled with many magical creatures. Creatures of danger, yes, creatures of wonder. Be sure to hang on to your motorbike and most importantly, have fun, everyone.
Well, I think it's definitely time that we see some magical creatures, don't you think?
We may have a small problem with all these crates and boxes in the way. I'm not sure how we'll get inside.
I'll tell you what, I've got the perfect solution. Do you all remember Professor Flitwick's charms class? And how about the spell for levitation or to make objects fly? It's, of course, Wingardium Leviosa. Now, I'm going to need your help. So remember your swish and flick. And after 3, 1, 2, 3, Wingardium Leviosa!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure.